Now it's time to Ask an Expert, where we tackle everyday home improvement topics to help you better understand your home. Today, as normal, I'm with Greg Cantor from Murray Lampert Design Build Remodel and Bill Cohn from Mr. Handyman. Greg, we're talking about licensure and why it's important in home improvement. What does it mean to hold a license in home improvement contracting?
To me, it holds us to a higher standard, makes us accountable, makes us do things to code, and hold our people to the same standard.
Bill, is there anything that it specifically means to you?
Well, besides that, there's also insurance requirements that go along with that. With holding the license, and you're required to have insurance also. And so it's all protection for the homeowner.
And it's all covered under the California State License Board, and they maintain the licenses, correct?
Correct.
Okay. And if you are hiring an unlicensed contractor, which happens all too often, there's a lot of dangers, which is the main thing we want to talk about today.
Right.
Do either of you have any stories? Have you ever gone in and seen the work of an unlicensed contractor?
Absolutely. I've been called, and we won't do jobs coming in behind someone that did illegal work, but I'll go out and assist and give advice, and I've seen some really scary, unsafe situations.
Same thing with us. And you feel bad for the homeowners who've gotten into a situation where the job is not done right or it's not finished, and they're looking for somebody to do it right. And it's hard you can't just take over because you don't know what has been done and what had been done right or wrong. So a lot of times you have to start from scratch.
And it goes beyond the risk of shoddy work with an unlicensed contractor, because you can actually, there's risks to you personally and financially.
For sure. If somebody gets hurt, if it's an unlicensed situation, then the homeowner is accountable for someone getting hurt on the job. Or if they do something unsafe, and it could affect your family. If the electrical's not done to code, there's just so many things that could go wrong.
Yeah, absolutely. And I actually had a story where I was taken advantage of by an unlicensed contractor. It's why one of the reasons I started Approved Home Pros. The reasons to not hire one are tremendous. We talk about them all day. Are there any advantages to hiring an unlicensed contractor?
Well, most people do it because of the cost. Doing things professionally, just paying for your license, paying for the insurance, those drive up costs. So unlicensed contractors usually cost less, but in the short term, it's a foolhardy choice to.
Absolutely, it's penny wise and pound foolish. If you have questions for our experts or want to see more information on our previous questions, visit ApprovedHomePros.com in our Ask an Expert section.